We're doing it on Omega. This is the second ranked duel. The first one, well, I won the first duel, I think. No, wait, it just cut out. Like, it just disconnected me from the server, and I'm pretty sure I won the first duel, first game, but I tried going back into online. I thought I was going to reconnect, but it did not reconnect, and I didn't get any points for it or nothing. I didn't get nothing. That was a bit disappointing. Just gonna link Haribo Pass. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I was gonna go for Zeus, but I can't go for Zeus. I can't even attack. Fernando. Pendulums. Add one pendulum monster spell trap. Add one pendulum monster, pendulum spell trap. Okay, one pendulum monster. I get it. Glaxy-eyes fusion. Glaxy-eyes vortex. Quick effect. Shuffle one pendulum monster from your extra deck into the deck. Oh, okay, I get the activation. You know what? I can go with this, right? Doesn't have any. Yes, doesn't have no. You can't shuffle it back. Uh-oh. One. What? What can I do too? Odd-Eyes Evolution Dragon. Level 12. Crazy. Yeah, I really don't like reading it right here. Maybe I'm just not used to it. What? Vortex? Come on. Gamma. 10. Purple. Yes. Come on, Ben 10. That's Fanny's ruler. And then no, that's just Fanny's ruler. Tribute summon. Tribute Gamma and Link Karibo. Infinity's ruler. Battle. Infinity's ruler direct. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Got full sword. Whoa, what's going on here? What? That was round 1. This is the same side deck. I didn't even side deck. This was the side deck I made from the other duel, wasn't it? I don't even know what game this is. Whoa, what? Oh. What the? What? I don't get it. I don't get it. I had Lancia in there. Alright. This guy is a 572 bronze. That's cool. I'd take a low rank instead of waiting longer. That was part of the update. Was you'll be paired up with any rank or something for less waiting for the same rank. I think you won't get the same points though. Like you won't earn as much, but it's okay. I'd rather get a duel going than rather get a duel going than waiting. What? Just gonna negate it. And that second donkey. Natasha. Was that an early negate? I don't know. Probably. Oh, yeah, he's still. I knew it. I knew it. You could. What? You can still do it, right? What the heck was that? Nova. Alpha. Link Reba. Alpha. Tribute Zeta. Special from the grave. Activate effect. Ben 10. Zeta. Tribute Ben 10. Special. From the grave. Activate effect. Add media on the StrikeTron. Ben 10 is gonna get the other Ben 10. And we'll do Union Carrier. Those two. Link Summon, activate effect. Target itself. Equip. Dawn Knight. Meteor on StrikeTron. Ben 10 from the grave. Use Union Carrier. Ritual Summon. Dawn Knight. Effect. Dump. Gamma. Gamma. Activate. Tribute. Ben 10 from the hand. Special from the grave. Activate effect. Special from the grave. Alpha. Ben 10. I think it's Vanity's Ruler now. It's Vanity's Ruler. Medium StrikeTron, decrease attack, add. Oh, hold on here. I could still draw it. Yeah, I'll do it. Foolish Burial. Foolish Burial. Oh yeah, I did. Delta. Screw it. I'll do it right now. Delta. Tribute. Ben 10. Activate effect. Reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card. Regeki. Then 10. Herald of Ultimateness. Wait. I wouldn't have anything for that. Eva? Herald of Ultimateness. Medium DRYTRON, then 10, use Delta. Heck, not letting me press anything, dude, come on. Preparation of raids. Then 10. And add medium DRYTRON. Do these two from Fanny's ruler. I'll get Eva. I'm gonna time out right now. Battle. Attack. 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 And there's two. Medium DRYTRON. Herald of Ultimateness. Oh my god. Defense. Tuned. Holy crap. Why is it still doing the count thing there? But still wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. That's it? Yes. So what was that? Started off 1241. Now I'm at 1247. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub it for like it. See you guys.